The price of building a new house has significantly increased to a breaking point, placing the dream of home ownership entirely out of reach for most people. This isn't just a temporary market fluctuation, it's a systemic failure. It's driven by the crippling inflation that increases the cost of basic design and raw materials, the relentless cultural trend of people seeking larger, heavily conditioned homes, and the unpredictable amount of time it takes to build these massive residences. Time is money, and traditional construction wastes both. But what if we completely re-engineered the process? What if we simplified the design and construction of a home through prefabrication, building it inside a climate-controlled warehouse, delivering it to the site, and simply lifting it onto a prepared foundation? And what if this efficient home went a step further, generating more clean energy than it consumes and actively growing all the organic food a family needs to survive? I'm Tim Ung, and this is the design of a self-sufficient prefabricated greenhouse home. From the street, this house looks like a beautifully refined, typical ranch home with its approachable single-story height and traditional gable roofs. If you were walking your dog past this property, you would never expect that this structure was actually constructed by a team of contractors inside a local warehouse while the foundation was being simultaneously prepped on site. This greenhouse home is intentionally designed to seamlessly slip into most existing traditional neighborhoods through its familiar geometric form and warm natural materials. In this design, the foundations utilize concrete piers with heavy timber posts. This raises the home and creates a crawl space underneath for all of the utilities. If the specific lot or the homeowner wants a basement, this could easily be swapped for a full poured basement to double the usable square footage. As we move around the perimeter of the home, we can see the covered porch at the front entrance and the decks at the sides. The exterior of the house is wrapped in a beautiful, sustainable, natural wood rain screen siding. This organic texture is contrasted at every window and door opening by modern black aluminum trim, giving the home a grounded, timeless aesthetic. If we look at this prefabricated home from above, we can see that it is profoundly different from the traditional houses surrounding it. The secret lies at its center. The solid roofs over the primary living spaces physically slope inward, directing rainwater towards the gutters located at the perimeter of the central glass roof. This valley is a massive collection basin. This is where thousands of gallons of rainwater seamlessly flow into a localized filtration and underground storage system. From there, it's purified and pumped directly into the high-density hydroponic growing system housed within the greenhouse below the glass skylight, creating a water cycle loop. To help this central greenhouse naturally regulate its temperature and humidity without relying on the grid, we designed a passive system. There's a network of automated side intake vents and corresponding ridge vents located at the peak of the skylight. As the sun starts to heat the greenhouse, the hot air inside naturally rises and exhausts through the upper ridge vents. This rapid exit creates a negative pressure vacuum within the greenhouse, pulling cooler, fresh air into the space from the lower vents. This stack effect ventilation is combined with ceiling fans to ensure continuous airflow across the plant leaves. To protect the crops, an automated blind system actively tracks the sun, rolling out to diffuse the harsh, direct sunlight into a soft ambient glow. And to power this home, the south-facing roofs are clad in a massive solar array. It generates more electricity than the home requires, storing the necessary reserves in a battery bank in the garage and selling any excess energy back to the local utility grid. When the extremes of winter hit, a deep earth geothermal system efficiently takes over, providing clean, radiant heating to both the home and the greenhouse. It can also cool the house during the hot summer days. Before we enter the home, let's take a look at how it's organized in a floor plan. The total footprint features an efficient 1,500 square foot living area that perfectly flanks a 750 square foot soaring greenhouse right at the core. The home includes 2 large bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, a chef's kitchen, a walk-in pantry, an intimate dining room, an open living room, and that central greenhouse loaded with a high-density hydroponic shelf system. All of the utilities are located in the crawl space and the attached garage, keeping the living areas quiet while maintaining as much interior square footage as possible. The moment you enter this home, you step into a large open room where the lounge and living room are located. Directly ahead of the entrance is a massive wall of sliding glass doors. These can be left open all year round to blur the boundary between the traditional living area and the lush indoor garden of the greenhouse. By opening this thermal threshold, you allow all of the fresh, oxygen-rich, and naturally warmed air from the greenhouse to fill the lounge and living room. It changes the entire atmospheric quality of the house while reducing heating costs in the colder seasons. The lounge itself is set up as a conversational circle with 4 comfortable lounge chairs. It's a quiet space where family and friends can sit together. It's the perfect place to sit with your morning tea or coffee, catch up on the latest news, and bask in the soft, diffused natural light spilling over from the greenhouse. Next to the lounge is the living room. It's anchored by a sectional sofa with seating for 8 people. This is the entertainment hub, a place where family and friends can come together to watch a movie, play a game, or simply be together to catch up on life. This mirrors something that my wife and I have been doing intentionally in our own lives. We find spaces where we can completely disconnect from our screens and the outside world and just talk about our dreams, our aspirations, and everything that we're actively working on or excited to do next. There's a large built-in storage cabinet along the far wall where we can hide away the visual clutter of extra pillows and heavy blankets, keeping the space minimal and calm beneath the wall-mounted TV. And when the weather outside is beautiful, we can slide open the massive secondary glass doors leading to the exterior balcony, extending the entire living room out into the neighborhood. But if we walk to the center of the home, we enter the beating heart of the property, the greenhouse. This isn't just a hobby garden, it's set up as a high-yield production operation. Here, a family can grow and harvest significantly more organic produce than they could possibly consume, 365 days a year. You can see all of the automated systems working in harmony. The ridge vents adjusting the glass skylight, the blinds tracking the sun to diffuse the harsh rays, and the ceiling fans maintaining the perfect microclimate. But the true innovation is on the floor. All of the produce is grown on a commercial-grade hydroponic shelving system. It automatically trickles nutrient-dense, filtered rainwater to every root system throughout the day. To maximize the 750 square feet, these aren't static shelves. Think of an archival library or a high-density hospital document storage system. Each massive shelf of food is set on a heavy-duty steel track. You simply turn a wheel or push a button to slide the entire vertical farm over, opening a walking path exactly where you need it to harvest a specific crop. While this level of production might seem like overkill for a 2-bedroom home, that's part of the plan of this prefabricated modular design. It's built to evolve. Because the home is modular, if your family grows, you simply order another prefabricated bedroom unit, crane it into the yard, and bolt it into the side of the house. Or instead, we could renovate the open lounge and living room and the dining area and turn them into 2 additional bedrooms for the home. We can remove the lounge entirely and relocate the dining room to the greenhouse by reducing the high-density shelf system. If we continue walking through the central garden to the other side of the home, we enter the kitchen, which anchors the second prefabricated unit. It's designed around a massive center island with endless cabinetry hidden beneath the quartz counters and along the back wall by the stove. Because this kitchen is located steps from the greenhouse threshold, the workflow is incredible. You harvest your food in the greenhouse and within a few steps, you're back in the kitchen where you can prepare it at the island. My favorite spot in this house would be sitting at the breakfast counter at the island in the morning light, chatting with whoever is prepping food. Because it sits at the intersection of the modules, this kitchen is the bustling crossroads of the home where we can interact with everyone. At the far west of this unit, we find a dining room. It's highly intentional that this space is visually separated from the kitchen by the walk-in pantry, the place where we can preserve, can, and store all the excess harvest from the greenhouse. By separating the dining room, we create a semi-private area. It's designed for intimate connection, featuring a large table with seating for 6 with a beautiful contemporary light fixture that can be dimmed for evening meals. With its own massive sliding doors opening to a private outdoor balcony, it's a quiet space to catch up on work or simply enjoy the breeze as we enjoy a meal. When it's time to retreat, we head to the private wing. Each of the 2 bedrooms is a vast sanctuary, offering plenty of space for a king-size bed, heavy dressers, a wall-mounted TV, and a closet. Each bedroom features casement windows, one looking into the warm greenhouse and the other looking out to the exterior. You can perfectly balance the temperature of the room by pulling warm air from the garden or a cool breeze from the street. They even feature their own private sliding doors and secluded balconies. This prefabricated greenhouse home is a paradigm shift. It uses a efficient methods of construction in a local warehouse and simple, durable materials to reduce the upfront cost of construction while simultaneously reducing energy and food costs by generating its own. I hope you enjoyed this project and consider subscribing for more architecture design ideas like this one.